Hey everyone, today I've got some heartbreaking news to share. Former Calgary Flames star Johnny Gaudreau and his younger brother Matthew Gaudreau have tragically passed away. The accident occurred Thursday night in Salem County, New Jersey. The brothers were out riding their bikes just before 8:20 p.m. when they were struck by an SUV. Both Johnny, 31, and Matthew, 29, sustained fatal injuries. According to the New Jersey State Police, the driver of the vehicle is suspected of being under the influence of alcohol. Sean M. Higgins, a 43-year-old from Woodstown, New Jersey, was arrested and charged with 2 counts of death by auto. He's currently being held at the Salem County Correctional Facility. The news of their deaths has sent shockwaves through the hockey community and beyond. NHL Commissioner Gary Bettman issued a statement early Friday morning expressing the league's shock and sorrow over the tragic passing of Johnny and Matthew. Johnny, known affectionately as Johnny Hockey, was more than just a star on the ice. He was a devoted father, loving husband, son, brother, and teammate. Johnny Gaudreau began his professional career with the Calgary Flames, where he played from 2013 to 2022. The Flames have released a heartfelt statement saying, "Johnny was and always will be a member of the Flames family, loved by all of Calgary." They emphasize that he grew up in the community not only as a superstar, but also as a beloved community member. Matthew Gaudreau, who also had a promising hockey career, played for Boston College and was known for his dedication and passion for the sport. The brothers were inseparable, sharing their love for hockey and family. Most recently, Johnny was a member of the Columbus Blue Jackets. The team said in a statement Johnny was not only a great hockey player but also a loving husband, father, son, brother, and friend. They extended their heartfelt sympathies to his wife Meredith, his children, Noah and Johnny, his parents, and everyone who knew and loved the Gaudreau brothers. This tragedy reminds us all of the dangers of drunk driving and the fragility of life. The impact Johnny and Matthew had on their communities and the sport of hockey will never be forgotten. The Gaudreau brothers were not just athletes, they were role models and inspirations to many young hockey players. Their dedication to the sport and their community involvement made them beloved figures both on and off the ice. Johnny was known for his incredible skill and sportsmanship, while Matthew was admired for his perseverance and team spirit. Their legacy will live on through the countless lives they touched and the memories they created. This is a difficult time for everyone involved, and we must come together as a community to support one another. Let's keep the Gaudreau family in our thoughts and prayers. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.